Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create QR code for WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Head over to your WhatsApp application and head over to your group. Make sure you are the admin of that group. And if you're not the admin, you can't do that. So make sure of it and then head over to the three dots icon on the upper right corner. Then go to group info, scroll down, and you will see an option of invite via link. Click on it. And there are several options of send link via WhatsApp, copy link, share link, QR code, and reset link. So we want our QR code, so head over to QR code. And there goes your QR code for your specified WhatsApp group. This is how you can do it. Just here, the share option is the upper right corner. Just click on it and there will be a sharing option. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.